Hi guys! So in this video I've got a great tip for you. If you have a deep bin like this and sometimes liquid has got to the bottom of the bin when you have removed the bag, and I'm going to show you a good way how to get rid of it because the bin is very deep. Okay, so let's go. So before you put your bin liner in there, I suggest you get a black bag and turn it inside out. So this is my black bag. I just turned it inside out. I've put some washing up liquid on a paper towel, and then what you need to do is hold the bin liner with this paper towel right at the bottom, and you'll be able to wipe the inside of the deep bin. So right now what I've got is my hand at the base of the bin liner, and I've put the washing up liquid with the paper towel on top, and literally I'm going to stick my hand in the bin with the bin liner and then wipe the inside of the bin. So here I am. I'm about to put my hand deep inside this bucket of the bin to wipe that piece of liquid up. I'm going to have to do it off camera, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after I've wiped it. This is how far your sleeve might go inside the bin, but good thing about it is you've got the bin liner actually protecting your clothing, so that's why you do it this way. So I've finished washing inside the container of the bin, or wiping it down with the washing up liquid and the paper towel, and this is me bringing it out. That is all what was on the bottom of the bin container, and this is now what the bottom of the bin looks like. Very clean, fresh and shiny. So now when you put your new bin liner in, you won't have any liquid smell of the previous garbage that was in there. And then obviously to put the bin liner actually inside the bin container again, what I'll do is I'll hold this like this, and then I'll turn the bin liner the other way, and then I will put that inside the bin container. And that's the reason why this will remain dry, and you don't really want that at the bottom of your bin. So yeah, turn the bag inside out again, and then you'll be able to put your bin liner back inside your bin container fresh. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.